Hey guys, I picked this up on Amazon. It's I think it says MIMIDI 9-volt power supply combo pack. So it's kind of a 5-in-1 solution. Right now they're $13.99 and it seemed like a pretty good price for something that does so many things. So let's see what came. Obviously it's at this price point, it's going to be made in China. But I thought it'd be worthwhile to pick it up since it's got some pieces I don't have, such as this 9-volt adapter. This is going to be your Boss style to like Big Muff or Electro Harmonix adapter. Those are handy to have. For example, this double muff has that style adapter, so you can just hook this up and use your Boss style cable. Pretty cool. As far as how this one works, same thing. Hook the regular 9-volt up here, and then you can plug in a pedal that only takes a battery. This one looks like it's gonna be the male end version of the 9-volt adapter. And then this is some other adapter. Maybe a slightly different sizing, or it could be a reverse polarity. So it also came with your 9-volt AC/DC adapter, and it's 200. Let's see, it's 9-volt 1 amp or 1,000 milliamps. So that'll power several pedals. I wouldn't try to use this daisy chain on, some digital delays or some more power intensive pedals. I also like this style of daisy chain if you're going to use one, because if you're using a Boss tuner such as this, you can actually use this daisy chain to plug in your adapter into the Boss tuner here, and then daisy chain out like this into several other pedals. Or if you don't have that, you can simply plug in the AC adapter to this end, and then it'll power several pedals. Alright, so let's plug this in and see how it sounds. Right now I have a Snark 9-volt adapter plugged in to this pedal. It's fairly quiet. That's with no pedal. So I'm not sure how well that'll pick up on this little mic, but alright, so for me it's about the same or slightly louder. Nothing, especially in a band setting. This is hooked up to a Marshall 412 JCM 900. Not enough to really make a lot of noise. So for $14, this is pretty good deal, because you get so many adapters and it'll really start your collection out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye now.